Welcome. In this video, we're going to dive into one of the most fundamental skills for any Python developer, file handling. You'll learn how to work with files to read and write data, which is a core part of almost any real-world application. So, what exactly is file handling? It's the process of using code to perform operations on files stored on your computer. This is crucial for making your programs save information permanently, a concept known as data persistence. You can use it to process data from various sources, like text files or configuration settings, and to generate new files, such as reports or logs. To get started, you first need to open a file. Python makes this easy with its built-in open function. This function typically requires two arguments. The first is the file's name or path, and the second is the mode, which tells Python what you intend to do with the file. For example, to open a file named my_document.txt in read mode, you would write file_object equals open, and then in parentheses, my_document.txt, R. When you need to get information from a file, you'll use a read-focused mode. The R mode is the most common. It opens a file for reading and is the default mode if you don't specify one. If you use R+, you can both read from and write to the file. And for non-text files, like images or audio, you'll use RB to read the file in binary format. Once a file is open, you have several methods to read its content. The read method pulls the entire file content into a single string. The readline method is useful for reading one line at a time, which is great for very large files. Finally, the readlines method reads all the lines in the file and conveniently places them into a list of strings. Now let's look at writing to files. The W mode opens a file for writing. Be careful, as it will create a new file if one doesn't exist, but it will completely overwrite any existing file. If you want to add data to the end of an existing file without deleting its contents, you should use the mode for append. And if you only want to create a new file and avoid accidentally overwriting one, the X mode will do just that, raising an error if the file already exists. To actually write data, you have two primary methods. The write method takes a single string and writes it to the file. It's important to remember that you need to manually add a \n character to create a new line. The readlines method is a bit different. It takes a list of strings and writes each of them to the file. Just like the write method, it won't add new lines for you, so you'll need to include them in your strings. A common mistake for beginners is forgetting to close a file after they're done with it. A much safer and more Pythonic way to handle files is by using the with statement. This creates what's called a context manager. When you use with, Python guarantees that the file will be closed automatically once the block of code is finished, even if your program runs into an error. This prevents data corruption and makes your code much cleaner. Let's see a practical example. Here, we first create a list of planets. We then use a with statement to open a file named planets.txt in write mode. Inside the block, we loop through our list and write each planet's name to the file, followed by a new line character. Afterwards, we use another with statement to open the same file in read mode, read all of its content, and then print it to the console. The output shows that our program successfully wrote to and read from the file. And that's it. You now have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of file handling in Python. You've learned how to open files, read from them using different methods, write and append data, and how to do it all safely using the with statement. Thanks for watching, and keep on coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.